Okay, welcome back everybody to the Dream Whisper of Jesus. Little eagle on the hunt for rabbits. Hope everyone's doing well. Hello Mr. Eagle, little eagle. Sorry I haven't put any prophetic dreams on the YouTube channel. I've just been really busy and Christmas, everything's revving up. Hope everyone's doing well. I do have some more prophetic dreams, but yeah, just a little bit behind schedule. We've just had a big rainstorm here in Canberra. It's passed over there about half an hour ago, so everything's had a good drenching. I've zoomed out and lost the eagle now. Where is it? There it is. I'm not sure about the world politics. America might be going to start launching airstrikes against the Houthi rebels in Yemen, so that will be interesting to see whether the Americans decide to go through with that or not. So for people following the world politics, apparently there's two major shipping companies that have said it's just too dangerous for them to ship freight through the Red Sea, so the Houthi rebels are firing missiles at Israel and the American ships are there trying to protect Israel, so they haven't been able to fix the problem, so it might be going to escalate. But as a random comment, all the global shipping trade might be going to take a detour around the Cape of Good Hope in South Africa, so that would be good for South Africa, have some more freight, international freight ships possibly stopping in South African ports on their way to Asia, so I'll be curious to see how it all unfolds in the next 2 weeks or 3 weeks. Okay, God bless you everyone. I will catch you later. Eagle's there. If the camera will focus on him. The camera's struggling. But yeah, I'll wait and see if the eagle will catch a rabbit. God bless you everyone. Bye bye.